guys, it's your girl Kylie J here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really cute and simple makeup tutorial, so I hope you enjoy. The first couple products that I am starting off using are the Versali products, and these are more of an expensive luxury item, but I noticed they have helped tremendously with my skin and with makeup application in general. I only usually buy them around Black Friday because it's a bit more affordable, but I definitely recommend giving them a try if you haven't already. The first one that I used is the Skin Glass, and that's basically just like a shiny, somewhat glittery product to add some luminosity to your face. I personally like when my skin looks more glowy as opposed to being matte, so that's why I really like that product. The second Versali product that I used is the Skin Blur, and that is just to help blur and hide pores, and most of my pores are right along my cheeks and on the top of my nose, so that's where I focus the product more there. Now I am using a concealer basically all over my face. I realized that this is a really good full coverage way for me to do makeup pretty quickly because the foundation that I use, I usually have to do 2 applications of it until it has the coverage that I like. So if I'm in a hurry or I just want to do my makeup super quick to take some pictures, this is what I have been doing. So I'm obviously using 2 different concealers for the highlight and contours of my face, and the color difference isn't that much, it's just very subtle, and I'm just covering my whole face in this product, making myself look like a really crazy person until it all gets blended in. To blend in all the concealer, I am spraying a new beauty blender with another Versali product, and this one is the Rose Gold Mist, and this is one of my favorite products of theirs besides the Volcanic Elixir. The mist is so wonderful. If I want to go outside and not really wear too much makeup, I usually just spritz some of that on my face, add a little bit of concealer, maybe a little bit of powder, spritz my face again, and it gives my face enough hydration and a nice little glow, and I absolutely love it. I definitely recommend that product. And spraying it onto the beauty blender to blend it in helps to dampen the beauty blender so it can blend out the product a little bit easier. Now I'm using a powder to set all of that concealer, and there's not really much else for me to say about that. It's pretty self-explanatory. And now it's time for me to do my wonderful eyebrows, and if I'm being completely honest, doing my eyebrows is probably my least favorite part of the entire makeup routine. I don't really know why. I think it might be because I can never get my eyebrows to look the same way twice. Like every single time that I do them, they always look different. Not just different with each other, but just, if I do them 2 days in a row, they don't look the same. So doing my eyebrows, like, it's one thing I could totally just, if I could skip it, I totally would. Now for this makeup look in particular, I am going extremely heavy-handed with the blush, which is a complete 180 from what I usually do in my makeup videos. Usually I don't use blush at all, but it's something that I've really wanted to start getting into. And this makeup look is a bit more inspired by the e-girl type makeup looks, which is why I went so heavy with the blush. At this point in the video, it does look pretty crazy, but I think by the end, once everything's done, it came together really perfectly, and you guys will see that very shortly. I'm also going really hard with the highlighter as well, but with this, I'm trying to focus on more direct points of my face. like right on the very tip of my nose, right on the very top of my cheekbones, and just a small little streak on the bridge of my nose. Usually when I put on highlighter, I kind of get it all over the place because I like that, but for this look, I wanted to focus on just a couple small points of my face. Whenever I think of e-girl makeup, that's what I think of. Now for in my crease, I'm just using a really light brown transition shade, and this is only really to add a little bit more depth to my eye. There's nothing too crazy or intense about this step, it's just adding a little bit of color in there. And really you could swap this out for any color that you wanted. I think it would look exceptionally cool with like a really bright green or purple or whatever color you choose. Now I'm starting on my liquid eyeliner, and next to doing eyebrows, this is also probably one of the worst parts about makeup. And I only say that because when it comes to this step, it can really ruin the entire look if you mess it up. Since I typically do all of my face makeup and eyeshadow before I put on liquid liner, if I mess up and need to kind of erase it, then I have to be really careful that I don't mess up everything else. So yeah, I just always really struggle with this because I try and do it so perfectly and it takes me such a long time. And see in these clips here is... But the key is to starting smaller and slowly building it up and making it thicker as you see fit. Next up before putting on false lashes is a light coat of mascara, and I'm using my favorite mascara, which is the Falsies by Maybelline. And while that coat of mascara dries, I'm only putting on a little bit of a pinkish colored lipstick in the center of my lips, and then I'm blending it out towards the edges to give it an ombre look. Now I'm putting on my false lashes, which is always such a tedious task. And very annoying too, because no matter how many times I do this, it takes me at least 10 minutes before I can get them stuck to my eye, so yeah. Now I'm lining only my upper waterline with a black eyeliner pencil, and this is just a basic black eyeliner by Wet n Wild. I'm not lining the bottom waterline because I want my eyes to still have more of like a wide open look to them. If you line the bottom waterline with black eyeliner, it makes your eyes appear a bit smaller or more closed, and that's not what I wanted for this look, so that's why I'm skipping that and only keeping it on the top. Now I'm putting a clear sparkly lip gloss over my lips to keep the look more light and playful looking, and I really just like the look of a nice glossy lip. I definitely prefer it over matte lips, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you could probably already safely assume that. And I think lip gloss is also good for making your lips appear a little bit more plump, just with the shine on it. So that's also why I'm a really big fan of lip gloss. The only downside to it is it's pretty sticky, so when your hair goes flying around, it's probably going to get stuck to your face. And now I'm using my Farsali Rose Gold Mist to spray over my makeup. This also can be used as like a setting spray, and like I said before, it gives your skin a really nice glow to it, so that's why I like spraying it at the very end as well. And that is the end of this makeup look. I just ended the video right away, so here are some pictures so you can see how it turned out afterwards. I really like it. I think it's very cute, and the all over blush is growing on me a lot. I think I might do it a little bit more. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see all of your beautiful faces next time. Bye!